June 2024, a significant moment for Gilgit-Baltistan. An announcement was made. Prince Rahim Al-Husseini, the eldest son of Imam Shah Karim, would be visiting Pakistan on an official tour. People were requested not to gather on the roads, as this was a formal visit. But what happened next was unexpected. In Hunza, emotions took over. The Jamat gathered in large numbers, and the entire valley was cleaned and prepared. It wasn't just a visit anymore. It became a moment of unity and anticipation. On the 5th of June 2024, Prince Rahim Aga Khan stepped onto the soil of Pakistan. What followed was a grand and unforgettable welcome. At that time, Shah Karim was the present Imam, and Prince Rahim shared a heartfelt message, expressing his confidence that the Imam would be pleased to see the progress being made in the region. Soon after, President Nizar addressed the gathering with an important announcement. The President of Pakistan would honor Prince Rahim with the Nishan-e-Pakistan.
Today, the Aga Khan family continues to work for the welfare of the people of Pakistan in the same selfless and altruistic spirit. Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer upon Prince Rahim Aga Khan the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan.
The country's highest civilian award. The visit then moved forward with purpose. In Gilgit, Prince Rahim reviewed key development projects under the Aga Khan Development Network. He inaugurated a software technology park aimed at supporting innovation and sustainable growth in Gilgit-Baltistan. Energy was another major focus. The launch of Duiker Phase II and Nasirabad Solar Power Projects promised better electricity for over 32,000 people. Notably, the Duiker plant marked a shift away from diesel power, reducing carbon emissions and supporting a cleaner environment. But this visit wasn't only about the future. It also connected deeply with the past. At Altit Fort, an 800-year-old symbol of Hunza's history, Prince Rahim walked through ancient streets that have existed for over 1,000 years. The area, restored by the Aga Khan Cultural Service Pakistan, stood as a reminder of cultural preservation and identity. The streets were filled with members of the Jamat and volunteers, creating a powerful and emotional atmosphere. Later, at the Hunza Serena Hotel, the region's first 5-star hotel, a reception was held. Beyond luxury, the project represented opportunity, having provided jobs to hundreds of local people. During this visit, the government of Pakistan formally awarded Prince Rahim the Nishan-e-Pakistan, recognizing his contributions and services. On 9th of June 2024, he met with the Prime Minister of Pakistan, who acknowledged the impactful work of the Aga Khan Development Network and expressed gratitude for the long-standing services of the Ismaili Imam, continuing since the era of Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah. The visit concluded with another important step, the inauguration of a new regional headquarters of HBL Microfinance Bank in Gilgit-Baltistan, further strengthening financial access and economic growth in the region.